Да, so everything new. How many rooms in total you have?
Here 21, but at the end, with
No.
also third floor, we're gonna have 40.
Ah, 40. Five, 1, 5.
This one is a deluxe.
Mhm.
It's kind of corner.
But it's only gallery view.
This is
Gallery view.
gallery, yes. This is not Duomo view.
Mhm.
We have different categories, so street view and Duomo view. But this one is quite big. It's very nice. Here you have the bathroom.
And culture as well.
What, sorry?
Culture.
Yes. Cult.
Да, all's fine. Да, room is good.
Very nice. I told you.
Mhm.
The rooms are very nice.